everybody, this is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Come out and join us this Saturday for our Let's Effin' Test Ride Weekend. That's right, all you have to do this Saturday is take a test ride. Get one of these kick-ass keychains, Let's Effin' Ride sticker. We got koozies, and you know what? You take home a new 2024 or a new 2025 miles, and we have hats and tumblers. And also this Saturday, we have Rogue 22 is going to be here selling their barbecue plates for $10. If you have not had their barbecue, it is absolutely fantastic. Honcho The Band's going to be here rocking the stage. I'm going to be going around signing up people for the 2025 Ride for Heroes. And it is the one-day giveaway for Rolling Laconia. This is the one-day giveaway. They're going to be giving a 3-day trip to Laconia Motorcycle Week. That is the oldest motorcycle rally in the United States. A 3-night trip, a $1,500 gift card, and a one-on-one riding with Jesse James Dupree. How kick-ass is that? There's so much going on this weekend. Come out and join us. We're going to be here as always. Everything starts at 11. We will see you then.